So guys, today is the day I get to take a car around the Nurburgring. I have my trusty helmet with me, but this is the car that I've picked up for today. Oh yes, we're taking a Suzuki Swift around the ring. Now this is something that we've rented through Rent for Ring. Really, really cool idea. Basically you pay a bit of money, you take this round, you can pay lap by lap, and this is what I'm going to be using today. It's caged up, got sticky tyres on it, Cosmos wheels, so a really, really cool setup for a beginner such as myself. So massive thank you to these guys, really, really helpful. We're going to get in the car, Will's just over there chilling. He's going to tell me basically what I'm doing because this is really my first time around the ring. Right, here we are. Close as I can to the barrier. Little cardy doobry, and we're off. Right, Nurburgring. We're literally just going to go and enjoy this because it is literally my first time. So I'm going to let Will help me on this one. Again, first time ever.
Keep the power on.
Shout at me if you need to.
Just got a tight right coming up.
Yeah.
Keep power on. Another tight right, keep going, turn in, go.
Stuff.
Keep to the right. Start braking hard. Take it to the left.
Wow,
Right,
these things
right.
grip, don't they?
Yeah. Yep. That's the mate.
The grip levels,
Yeah.
wow. So impressed with the grip of this thing. Whew.
Go to the left. Turn into it.
Oh, the elevation change is insane. Hills and stuff. E3 coming past. Wow, it's just flat all the way. And brake.
No, you're alright, keep going.
Yeah.
Out to the left,
Yeah.
then turn in.
Racing lines, racing lines.
Slow down, let this when you passed. Keep going. Don't brake, yeah, keep going. Yeah. You did really well, Jamie. First time round.
Trying my bloody hardest, mate. This is nothing like anything I've ever done in my life. Absolutely nothing.
Brake, brake, brake.
Wow, the intensity of the car movement is insane.
Go wide, turn in now, turn in.
Whoa. Of course, you will turn in this thing, won't
Yeah.
it?
So grippy, great car.
T3.
That's right, doing well.
Oh, the grip levels. Woo.
Good, mate. Good.
Good.
Brake. Let's slam brakes on. Turn on.
Oh, Nick.
Left. Inside the right even. Yep. Brakes are turning now. Over to the left. Turn in.
Left. Second gear.
Third gear. Alright, yep. Okay. Over to the right. That's a good battle.
That is a fantastic one in front of us right there. Very impressive.
Go on them again. That's good, Jimmy. Good line.
Good stuff. Woo! You just been on, isn't there? People coming from every direction. It's madness.
Keep it.
And again, and again, I have no idea what I'm doing. No idea. Complete novice.
Keep it on.
Keep it on. God, people need to come and do this. It's so much fun. This Swift is fantastic here. Wow. Absolutely flying, that thing. Oh my God.
That's awesome.
That is mega, isn't it? It's gone. Literally gone. You've really got to watch the people around you because there's so much traffic.
Right.
Let this guy go because he means bloody business.
This is carousel coming up.
Oh! First time carousel, I'm so excited and scared at the same time. Right, here we go.
Right, you can turn into it.
Woo!
Not a lot of throttle, otherwise it'll throw you
Oh
out.
wow. That is
Yeah, we're on, we're on.
The car is moving so much. That is insane.
We're going to pass him.
I'm going to pass someone. Woo! Hopefully he doesn't come in front of me. No, he hasn't. Sick. Yes, I passed someone.
Out to right, turn in. Keep it on.
Oh, I passed someone. So happy.
Yes.
That was sick.
Another victim.
I passed someone else. Let's have it. Let's have it.
Right, we're coming up for a brunchy.
Wait, hello. Got movement there. Go on, carry on.
This is YouTube corner coming up.
Where everyone absolutely stacks it.
Yellow flag, slow down.
Yellow flag, yellow flag.
Down at 40, done right.
The flag is basically
That
something's
there's an accident
happened.
ahead.
Yeah, something's
Yeah.
happened. So, not really what you want to be doing on your first. Yeah, see,
Yeah.
VXRs with one of the weirdest body kits in the world. Carry on.
No, not yet.
Yeah.
One M coming up behind you.
Just-
Yeah, now.
the pace of some of these cars, I can't believe it. Oh,
That's good.
that felt absolutely mental there. Mini carousel, drop it in, feather the throttle and out again. Let this come past.
Out to left. Fourth gear. Go out wide and just planted. Trust me. Keep it on, keep it on. Don't lift, don't lift, don't lift, don't lift, don't lift.
Oh my god! That was insane! I just wanted to like let go.
Stop.
Oh my god! That is the nuts! Absolute nuts! I am shaking, I am covered in sweat, and that is the best thing I've ever done. Channel sanity happened there. Mate, you are the lad to do that. Oh mate.
I am so scared.
Yeah, me too. I'm glad we're in this together.
I gotta go change my pants now.
Yeah, I've got to go change my pants as well. What an unbelievable situation to put yourself in. And we got lap, yeah, we're going to get partially. I've never done this before. That was absolutely insane.
That was good though.
Right. Got to get out of the roll cage now, look at this. Oh. Right. That was the most insane, probably more than 10 minutes of my actual life. I cannot believe how good these things are. Shout out to Will in the background as well, absolutely smashing it. This thing though, you have to come and rent one of these to take round because the stickiness of the tyres, the brakes are fantastic. Well, race pads. Oh, mate. Absolutely madness, isn't it? Inside, you've got no carpets, bucket seats, and that. I just want to sort of run you through exactly what these things come with. Really nice drive as well. Yeah. Really nice drive. So impressive. But yeah, there's my first sort of outing around the ring. If I'm not gonna lie, absolutely crapping myself. I'm a complete novice to this. I've never done really any track day stuff. Yeah, I've had, you know, silly cars and stuff, but nothing will equate to the craziness that it is going out there. Just to sum up really, if you are gonna come, definitely get one of these. It's really good to get out there and experience the ring, especially with something with a little less power than, say, the Golf. Especially, I didn't take the Golf out because it's literally, I find it to be maybe too much power. I think this is probably where I want it to be, especially around here. But what a moment.